Okay, welcome back to another tutorial, and this is Deon Kofi PTS. You can follow me on Instagram, Deon Kofi PTS, and also on Twitter, Deon Kofi PTS. And I'll be working with some lot on some images I shot some years back. I think you'll love them. And these images were actually of sunset, so the lot is called Sunset Blue Sky. So I think you love it. And without saying much, let's get started. Bringing both images to Photoshop, and actually one of the images is overexposed, so hold on the shift and select both images and rotate. And I think I'll work a little bit fast on this image, something just light, and go to the underexposed image. Okay, I like both the way they are. Select both image and open image. Alright, so image opened both actually, and then go to your color lookup, the 3D lot, click on it, and that's the lot I created, Sunset Blue Sky. Load it, and that is it. I'll come back to this image again, but let's load the other image. Look up 3D lot, and then select. Alright, so let's go back to the first image, and that's the first image. If it's too much, you can lower the opacity for this image, and if you want to make it more dramatic, go to your levels and then drag your blacks down. Yeah, and come back to the lookup again, and then try to make it more intense this time, and that's for a more dramatic look. And for this also, you can still go to your levels also, levels and then drag this down. You can go give a little bit of shadows, and voila, that's it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell for any future video, and also like this video, give me a thumbs up, and then go into the comment section and then tell me maybe if you want me to work on some other video. Thank you.